Alright, let's do it. BOOZHOO! Mino Gigajade. Good morning. Where are we here? Good morning. Mino Gigajade. Oh, I still got this up here. Makare Mashkiki Wabu. Coffee. Welcome back to the show. I am NANABOOZHOO. Over here, the lovely and talented Natasha. BOOZHOO, Gakira. Mino Gigajade. Gakira Awia. Good morning, everybody. And over here, Michael Lyons, the ROCKSTAR CARTOONIST. How you doing, buddy? I'm doing great. Hey, you know what? Let's start the show with Emily. Here's a song Michael wrote and recorded with his old band, Ishi. This is a song called Emily.
Emily's got one crazy eye. She looks to the west and she looks to the sky. Don't ask her how she sees. Don't ask her what it means. I can only say I've seen better days. This is my mistake. You have no idea it could be asleep before it finally wakes. And we've been here before, wrestling on the floor, pleading for God's sakes. But time and time again I tell my old friends I don't know what's at stake.
Not watching our show? Yeah. Everybody except people watch our show is stupid. Yeah, I know. That's what I was trying to say. Okay. Hey. If you'd like to... You want to add anything, Michael? No, that's good. If you'd like to support this show, check out the links in the description.
Dizzy white snowflakes find their way right up her nose. Don't ask her how she feels. Don't ask her what is real. I can only say I've seen better days. This is my mistake. You have no idea it could be asleep before it finally wakes. And we've been here before, wrestling on the floor, pleading for God's sake. But time and time again I tell my lonely friends I don't know what's at stake.
Okay, I gotta go. I gotta keep my John. And I'll be back tomorrow. Giga over bien, you know what? BOOZHOO. Hi, sweetie. Hey, you ready to come in? Yeah, can you pick me up? You got it. Let's see, that's 1 to teleport. Make it so, number 1. Okay. Hey, baby doll! Hey, welcome home. Thank you so much. Did you have a moment of wisdom, moment of Nabakuin with Aki Takasha? No, not really. I think I just complained about people who
I don't see how we got here now. I don't see how we got here now. Hey, I don't see how we got here now.
Ladies and gentlemen, the rockstar cartoonist, Michael Lyons. That was awesome, dude. Hey, thanks, man. Michael, you're so talented. Thank you, Natasha. Is that song on the new album? Yeah, it sure is. Check out Michael's new album on, what's it called? You know what it's called. Rockstar Cartoonist, Michael Lyons.